Just have some idea as what is reinsurance. See, once companies accept the risk, they themselves are on a very high risk. So they wish to part with some of the risk to reinsurance company. It is nothing but placing of some part or 50% or 60, 70, 80%, whatever they decide by the original insurance company, primary insurance company, when they feel, yes, we will not be able to pay the claims in case there is any major outbreak of fire or natural calamity. They take the risk to reinsurance company. Look, these are the risks we have accepted. Now tell me whether you are able to give us some protection up to 50, 60, 70 or 80%. So this way, this is nothing but once again doing insurance by insurance company after having accepted risk from various individuals and corporates. So benefit is it increases the capacity of company, primary company which is accepting risk. Then it is giving financial stability also, because in case of heavy losses the company will not be in trouble and they will get reimbursement or compensation from reinsurers. And it gives stabilization of claim ratio. I mean, they can decide, the company can decide up to what percentage they are comfortable, and beyond that they can go for reinsurance. Accumulation of claims in different classes. Say for example, in India, motor is a loss making business, especially third party motor business. So companies would like to reinsure their motor portfolio, especially third party portfolio, with reinsurer. So in case it is going beyond their capacity, they get reimbursement from insurance reinsurance company. So it is nothing but extension of principle of insurance, because principle says spread the risk to as many as possible. So reinsurance is an arrangement whereby we further spread the risk. Protection of solvency margin is ensured by reinsurance. So when we go for reinsurance, solvency margin is protected. We are able to pay the claims. It gives it is giving stability to a primary company. It ensures profitability, and there are so many other benefits of doing reinsurance. Insurance gets benefit of expertise of reinsurance global partners. They can help and they can absorb newer risk, and they can tell the primary companies as what should be done and what should not be done. And it provides means of communication also, because reinsurers are connected with global market, and for local company, reinsurers can be of very high help. Reinsurance, the commonest method is facultative, one by one proposal, treaty under agreements. Treaties involves proportional, quota share and surplus treaty, and non-proportional, excess of loss and stop loss arrangement. We will discuss in detail what all these methods of reinsurance are. Meanwhile, this is Mohan Vatnani giving you information on behalf of Indore Insurance Institute. Enjoy video and give me feedback. We will be giving you continuous supply of important material related to insurance. Thank you very much.